Hi guys, welcome to my another video. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how you can do local citation building for SEO. It will help your site to get ranked very fast. Now it's work for SEO 100%. Now what is citation building? For the example, you are a business owner. Let's say you own a dry clean business. Your business has an address, a phone number, an email, and even a blog where you share these tips and tricks for taking better care of clothes. Local suggestions are online mention of your company, linked or unlinked, which include your business address, contact info, and in some cases your website. Now we will go for practical. Here I have some listed citation site where we can do our business citation. For example, we will take enrollbusiness.com. Here we go. Look at the site. Here, create a business profile. Every citation site we will see something like that. Add my business or create your business profile, add your business. So in this profile we can do our citation for our site. At first we have to sign up for this site. Go here and registration user. So I have a account already, so I will log in it. You have to sign up for first time. Go here. Look, we are in now. I have already my account. That's my account. So I will do a citation for my business again. So create business profile. Go there. So your website where it's standby. Go there. So my example website is here. My state is Virginia, VA Virginia. Virginia. State address. Go there. City Richmond. Richmond. Zip code. Zip code. To the next. Phone number. Business name. It's your company name. If you had owner name, then go for it. You have to give website there. Industrial group, your its category. Financial institute, financial service, or something like that. Give a short description for your business here. Agree and finish. So it's okay. Then you have to go there. You will have this page and complete this page for 100% working hour. your company working hour, you have to edit it here. Your company working hour Monday to Friday 10 p.m. Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 18, and save here. Now you see upload image. You have to upload there your company logo. I have company logo. Here is my company logo. So your company logo is payment. What your company get payment, add there cash, debit or credit. Okay, so we are finished. So go your account, my account, and have a look at it. What you have done. So here is your full profile of your citation building for your site. Here your my company logo, my company address. It is That's the main part of your work. You have to look what information you involve in this citation site. So here is my com company address, here is my phone number, here is working hour, here is payment method, where is your company get, here is website. If you click here, you have see it's go to my website. It's the category of my site. It's a short description of my site. So we have done. So it is a citation building. It's help your site for get rank 100% sure. You have to do it of many site. So here is another citation building site. Go here. Here we go. I have also this account in my own. So I have into there. Go to my dashboard. View business. Here is my company citation for this site. Here is my phone number. Here is my email where they can contact with me. Here is my website. So guys, hope you will understand. Next time I will show another SEO. Bye bye.